Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion, here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. And today we'll go over how to build wealth, and more specifically, how to build wealth as a teenager. Now, if you're not a teenager, trust me, those steps are important at any age. But if you're just starting your journey to financial freedom, write those things down, okay? If you're part of this community and you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thank you very much. Maybe this is your first time around here. Please hit the subscribe button right away for personal finance and other money tips in the future. Subscribing is free, doesn't really cost you anything, and it helps a lot. Do you want to be the next person that get rich overnight? Well, don't we all? But this is more common for Hollywood movies than in real life. Yes, there are some very rich teenagers in this world. Sometimes it's inherited, and sometimes in rare cases it's from building a great phone app like those four. Now, if you're lucky enough to hit that jackpot, more power to you. But if you're watching this video, you just know that you can help your future self get wealth one step at a time as well. First and foremost, stay out of debt. Credit card companies can have unscrupulous advertising methods. Myself, I know a few people over the years that basically took advantage of every credit card offer they received in the mail or online in the email, not knowing how to handle money and balance their checkbook, if anyone's using checkbooks anymore. And guess what? Now most of them are in piles and piles of debt. So forget the fancy new phone, forget your Xbox and sneakers, and try to focus on keeping more than you spend, especially at a young age. Which means you get to save early. Yes, building smart habits such as saving money early means that as an adult you won't spend time thinking about these choices. These healthy habits will be practiced and will become an essential part of who you are. You are a person who saves money consciously for a better financial future. I wish they taught us that at school, but guess what? That is why we have YouTube, right? By the way, hit the like button on this video and share it as well with some of your friends that might need to see this if they're spending too much. Another thing you need to master is positive financial mindset and goal setting. Yes, I know, you've probably heard that 10,000 times and you're sick of it, but guess what? Writing goals works because they keep you focused, and positive mindset as well keeps you positive and motivated. So start setting goals and stay positive until you achieve those goals. That will build your confidence. And if someone ever calls you an overachiever, we'll be proud of it, all right? As you smash those goals and save those money, also, don't settle for less than what you're worth or what you want to achieve. Dream big as you can. A large part of today's millionaires and even billionaires are self-made. Some even grew up poor. If you've had a tough childhood or you are struggling with family issues, for example, just know that where you come from does not need to be where you end up. Growing up poor or in difficult circumstances can be your biggest advantage in life if your dreams are big enough. Take me for an example. I grew up in Eastern Europe, had to leave my family and everything else behind. I came to the United States, yes, with about $120 in my pocket. But I have zero regrets because I dream big and I strive to achieve my goals. But enough about me. The next thing you want to focus on is to start investing as soon as possible. That is why you're saving all those money, right? Keeping them under the mattress won't do you any good. So take advantage of the compound interest that really doesn't get the praise it deserves. If you have ever calculated projected savings in Excel spreadsheet or an online compound interest calculator, you would know that with investing, starting early can be a great advantage. If you don't believe me, here's an example. If you save $3,000 every year at around 4% return on investment, which by the way is very conservative, and you start saving at the age of 16, by the time you're 80, you would have about $1 million in savings. But if you save the same amount at the same interest rate and you started saving at 30 years old, you would only have $500,000 by the time you're 80. So for about what, 14 years difference, you lose half of what you could have had. Makes sense, right? So start saving and start investing as early as you can. I mean, with apps like M1 Finance, Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, all those other platforms out there, a child can do it. Hit that like button down below, please, if you like this video. To start investing as a teenager or even later in life is not rocket science. It's easier than a video game, really. So to sum it up, for you, it doesn't really matter if you're a teenager or older. Those are the steps to follow for a better financial future. Stay out of debt, save as much as you can, set goals and dream big, and start investing as early as possible. That is how you build wealth as a teenager and beyond. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. Please hit the like button, and as you know, I will continue bringing you all the updates as soon as physically possible, working around the clock for you. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. If that's the case, like and share so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will see some other helpful links. You might want to check those out. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.